decide which fruit mix or juice mix is more fruity. So looking at question 1, Lisa is experimenting with mixes for fruit juice. Mix A requires 2 cups of fruit mix and 4 cups of water. Mix B requires 3 cups of fruit mix and 6 cups of water. Which mix is the most fruity? So for mix A, I have to compare the amount of mix to the total, and to find the total, remember you have to add together the 2 plus the 4. So if I simplify that, it's 2 mixes to 6 total. I can then divide that out, change it to a decimal, as a decimal 0.3 repeating, and if I change it to a percent, 33.3 repeating percent would be the mix. Looking at the second mix, mix B, doing the same kind of thing. It's 3 mixed to 3 plus 6 total. So that is 3 mixed to 9 total. But when I divide that out, I get the same answer. So it would be 33.3% or 0.3 repeating percent mix. So in this case, the mixes are the same in terms of how fruity they are. They're the same. Looking at our next example, Betty and Derek are making punch for a class party. The directions on the liquid punch mix say to use 3 cups of mix for every 7 cups of water. Betty and Derek want to make enough punch so that each of the 25 people at the party can have 2 cups. Part A, how many cups of punch mix will Betty and Derek need to use? So, if each person has 2 cups, I will multiply 25 times 2. I need 50 cups of juice total. One batch makes, so one batch of the mix will make 3 plus 7 or 10 cups of juice. So to go from 10 cups of juice to 50 cups of juice, if I divide those, so 50 divided by 10 tells me I need to make 5 batches. And so now for 5 batches, to figure out how much punch mix that would be, I would multiply the amount of mix, 3, by the number of batches, 5. So getting into part B now. How many cups of water do they need and how many cups of mix do they need? So for the water first, to make 5 batches, I would multiply 5 times the amount of water, which is 7. So I need 35 cups of water. And then for the mix, I would multiply 5 times 3. I would need 15 cups of the mix. Looking now at part C, Betty and Derek want to put the punch in bowls that hold 20 cups each. How many bowls will they need? Well, we decided they needed to make 50 cups of juice total. So to figure out the number of bowls, I'm going to take the 50 and divide it by the 20. When I divide that out, I'm getting a decimal 2.5. But in this context, you can't have part of a bowl, so they would need to have 3 bowls. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.